Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get free 1 terabyte, basically 1 terabyte cloud storage on Terabox. As of 2024, Terabox offers a way to obtain free cloud storage, including 1 terabyte of space, through various methods. Here's how you can get started. First of all, sign up, right? And then confirm your email, and then explore promotions. And as we talked before, you can get gold and then trade it with premium, so you can get a free premium subscription, right? Terabox often runs a promotions or referral programs. Look for any promotional banners on the app or homepage that can guide you to increase your storage level or storage space. And you can use referral bonuses. Terabox has a referral system where you can invite friends to create an account and then check for seasonal offers. As we said before, follow Terabox on social media so you can get just because they give away new or free premium subscription. So download the app or basically visit the website and keep an eye out, right, for any new for any news for that matter, right? And then basically stay updated. All right, make sure to keep the app updated. New features, storage benefits, or promotions may be rolled out over time. If running the latest version ensures that you don't miss out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.